but I'm the first person ever to fly a remote control helicopter inside of a sailboat. Yeah. Helicopter.
I'm Mary Jo Mitchell with Headline Sports. Allegations and headlines again
Me.
for Barry Bonds. Caught speeding. That's the cover of the New York Daily News today. The newspaper is reporting that Bonds failed a test for
Flying
last year. Sources tell the paper that Bonds claims he got it from the locker of one of his teammates, Mark Sweeney. The Sweeney's agent said he didn't give the San Francisco Slugger anything. Meanwhile, Bonds' agent has no comment.
There you have it. Proof. Positive.
A serious stimulant. Bonds is still under investigation for lying under oath about steroid use. He has yet to finalize his one-year deal with the Giants for this season. If his latest accusations will affect that, we'll have to wait and see. But now, if he fails that test, here's why we never heard about it.
Didn't say I was good, just said I'd fly.
Which went into effect just last year.